Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the official broadcaster or ICC sanctioned app. That's the only reliable way to see live cricket on mobile. Create and verify your account now so you don't miss the toss. Once done, give the app permission to access network and notifications. Make sure you're on a stable connection, at least 3 Mbps for standard streaming or 6 Mbps for HD. If abroad, prepare legal region access tools. Do not use untrusted streams. Next, subscribe to the match or pass that covers the live feed. Select pay-per-view or season subscription and add your payment method, card, wallet, or carrier billing so you can join instantly. Once subscribed, set streaming quality to adaptive or HD depending on data. Preload highlights or the live buffer when available to reduce interruptions. Also enable push notifications for start times and stream links. That ensures you open the app right as action begins. When the match starts, open live, select the fixture, and tap play. You'll join the stream instantly if your subscription and permissions are valid. Use headphones for clearer audio and cast to a TV if you prefer a bigger view. Lock screen rotation to avoid accidental taps. If you encounter buffering, switch down to 480p, restart the app, or briefly toggle airplane mode to reset the mobile network. If login fails, log out and back in to refresh credentials.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.